traders find trading options to be extremely complicated, and I believe that it's because they're trying to do too much at the same time. So I want to give you 3 of my go-to options trading strategies that I use just one at a time. I'm not trying to do too much all at once, just focusing on one of them at a time. The first is day trading options. Now, if I am looking to day trade options, what I'm going to do is first look for stocks that are liquid. If the stock itself isn't liquid, then it's not going to have a great options market to begin with. So I'm looking at stocks that are trading at least 500,000 shares per day. Anything less than that, and it tends to not have a great options market. So ones that continuously show up on the radar. Most recently, Shopify has shown up, Tesla, Apple, Zoom, Roku. Those are some of the bigger names. There's plenty of big names, but focusing on some of the big names. Also, what you would have noticed in that group is that these are all stocks that have momentum behind them, right? Like, so when I'm looking to day trade, I'm not looking to day trade stocks that are in sideways consolidations on a daily chart or on a weekly chart. If I'm looking to day trade options, I want them to have already broken out where most traders wouldn't even touch it because they're longer term. If they're already broken out and they're showing a lot of momentum, then you could still go into those day trades and find those same patterns that you would find on a weekly chart down in the daily charts and trade those breakouts for those momentum strategies. So day trading is the first way that I'm going about trading options. The second way, trading around earnings announcements. Now, if your stock is getting ready to report earnings, this is one of the most volatile times of the stock, and there's a ton of uncertainty, right? The stock could either gap up way up high in your favor, or it can crap the bed and dry up your earnings, whatever profits you had. It can make you lose dramatically more than you had planned. So one way that I manage risk is by using options. And if I am looking to trade an earnings event, then I will use the option. If I'm looking to go long, then I'll buy calls. If I'm looking to go short, then I'll buy puts. And the reason why is because my risk is capped at the premium that I paid for the option. I cannot lose more than whatever I paid for that options contract. Now, you might say the same thing about the stock, but the stock, you're not buying stock with the idea that it can fall to zero. With an option, you are. So it's giving you the leverage, right? Because if it does run up like you thought that it would, then you're getting that leverage and you're participating on the upside, but it's also capping your downside because you can't lose more than you paid for that options contract. Now, the third strategy, my third go-to, is for swing trading. And when I'm looking to swing trade options, normally there'll be some kind of an event, like an earnings announcement, or there could be something else that's coming up, some news-driven event. And for this, I will use my friend Options Geek's tool, the new Options Chain. I've interviewed the founder of Options Geek a couple of times on this channel. Check out Felix Fry in the Traders Mind Chat show. And what he's developed is this tool that allows you to see if a swing trade has enough mathematical edge in it to be an options trade. So, well, what you would do is let's say you are trading something like Apple, and you think that within the next 4 weeks or the next 8 weeks that it's going to go higher in price. Great. Put in your profit target, put in when you think that it's going to hit that target, and then this tool will tell you if there's mathematical edge in the option or not. Meaning, is it priced favorably for you right now given where you think that it's going to go. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. Sometimes you might be better off buying the option, and sometimes you're not. So when I'm looking to do a swing trade, that's what I'll do. So again, the three strategies that I like to use, and I'll use these one at a time. I'm not trying to do all of them all at once. I'm not trying to do all of them in one trade. I am focusing on these singularly. So I'll look at day trading options, I'll look at earnings, and I'll look at swing trading. And those are the three to thrive.